Unveiling Slang, the sweet story of It's the Berries. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms and slang. Our special guest is the phrase, "It's the berries." Often, language isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about the culture and era it represents. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey and uncover the sweetness behind "It's the berries." At first glance, you might think this phrase is about fruit, but it's actually a piece of vintage American slang. "It's the berries" implies that something is excellent, the best, or highly enjoyable. Think of it as finding a delightful treat or a hidden gem. It's a way of expressing that something is as good as it gets. The phrase dates back to the early 20th century, finding its roots in American culture. Why berries, you might wonder? Well, berries have been associated with good things and pleasant experiences for a long time, likely because they are sweet and can be a rare find. Over time, the berries evolved into a slang term that epitomizes the pinnacle of excellence or enjoyment. Using "it's the berries" in conversation can add a fun, retro twist to your language. It's perfect for casual settings and informal discussions. For instance, after tasting a delicious piece of cake, you might say, "This cake is really the berries." When you find a book extremely enjoyable, you might tell your friend, "I just finished reading this novel, and it's the berries." Remember, it's a phrase that tends to bring a smile and a nod from those who appreciate nostalgic expressions. While "it's the berries" isn't as common in today's everyday conversations, it's a delightful addition to your vocabulary, especially if you have an interest in vintage slang. It's a phrase that might be more recognized by older generations, so using it can also be a charming way to bridge conversations across ages and eras. And that's the sweet story of "It's the berries." We've explored its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations to add a sprinkle of vintage charm. Language is not just about words. It's about history, culture, and the endless ways we can express our joys and experiences. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep exploring and remember, your enthusiasm for learning is truly the berries.